Broadmoor Psychiatric Hospital. Crowthorne, Berkshire. The oldest psychiatric hospital housing the most criminally insane being kept away behind high barbed wire walls from public view. Opened in 1863 with 5 blocks, 1 for women and 4 for men. Designed by Jebb. During World War I, Broadmoor was used at prisoners of war camp called Crowthorne War Hospital for mentally ill German soldiers. A prisoner escaped in 1952, John Staffen, who murdered a local child. The hospital set up an alarm system. It was to warn local people outside. Broadmoor used both psychiatric medication and psychotherapy as well as occupational therapy. Former patients including Peter Sutcliffe, Ronnie Kray, Robert Maudsley, Charles Bronson, and several others. Current 2025. Ian Ball, Robert Napper, Peter Bryan, and 5 others. Even more sinister turn was at least 1968 Jimmy Savile undertook voluntary work at the hospital. He even have his own room.
Spanning 4 decades, it spread to hospitals where he worked and children's homes, and brought other potentially high-profile suspects to police attention.
In August 1988, Savile was approached by Department of Health Minister Edwin Currie to be the chair of the board.
8 criminal allegations have already been made, 2 of rape, the others of sexual assault.
And this woman says she saw him do it. She was a patient in 1972.
I saw at the bottom of the ward, to the side of the ward, Jimmy Savile come to a young lady sat in a chair. Unfortunately, this lady, I think, had brain damage because she just sat there, and he kissed her, and I thought he was a visitor coming to see her, and he started rubbing his hands down her arms, and then, I don't know of a nice way to put it, but he molested her.
After a documentary in 2012, an allegation of sexual assaults by Savile were made and remade by patients and staff. Later, with investigating, he was preventing to work with children.
And today, the release of investigations into 28 NHS hospitals reveal how widespread his abuse was and how easily he was able to get away with it.
It was not known until 2014. He has his own personal key to Broadmoor from 1968 to 2004, unsupervised access to some wards. 11 allegations of sexual abuse were known, but too late.